Republic Day.
On the evening of 25th January, Gattu and Chinky came back to the house and were on their father's back.
Dad, please write. We have to give a speech on the occasion of Republic Day tomorrow. Mishra sir have given our names even without asking us.
Mom comes and says to Dad,
Just write it. Poor kids, they have been asking for so long.
Alright, get the notebook.
Gattu gives the notebook. Dad writes the speech for him.
Go and mug up.
Gattu leaves. Dad writes the speech in Chinky's notebook. And Chinky leaves to practice the speech. On the morning of 26th January, Gattu and Chinky got ready and leaves for school on the scooty with Dad. There was traffic on the road. All the people came out to hoist the flag and were speeding away their vehicles. Gattu, sitting behind his father, was in a different dilemma. He had forgotten all the speech and was trying to remember. Then a college student overtook them on his bike with speed and braked in front of them. Dad also stopped the scooty. Gattu Chinky noticed a senior woman was hit by the bike.
Hey boy, are you blind?
Are you blind?
If you have no manners to talk, then do not ride on the road.
I have rights. I can ride however I wish. Stay away from the road if you have problem with it. The boy leaves after saying this. The women also leave. Then Dad says,
Kids, you don't care about it. Concentrate on your speech.
Dad starts the scooty and they start moving. Dad stops at the red signal, but the rest of the vehicles were moving non-stop even after receiving the signal. Gattu was noticing all this.
How carefree is everyone? Here they break the rules and then give long speeches on the stage. Talking about speech, Gattu, do you remember the speech?
Gattu's fear was gone after listening to Dad.
Dad, I forgot the speech. But now I know exactly what I have to say.
When Gattu Chinky reached school, the flag hoisting was over and the kids' speech was started. Seeing Gattu Chinky, Mishra sir came to them and said,
Is this any time to come? I thought you would not come. Chinky, it's your number. Go.
Chinky went on stage and started giving the speech. Hearing her speech, everyone present, chief guest and headmaster Pandey started applauding. After Chinky's speech got ended, it was Gattu's turn. Mishra sir moved Gattu forward. Gattu stood in front of the mic. Guests started looking at Gattu for the speech. That's what he will say now. Gattu starts speaking.
Everyone gave very good speeches, said very good things. My dad also wrote the speech for me yesterday, but I forgot it now.
After listening to Gattu, all students starts laughing.
But I know what I want to say. In our country, we have democracy. We have got the rights from the Constitution. We all fight for the rights. For that, we also go to courts. But are we serious about our duties? Today, we were late in coming to school because we stopped at the signal. Those who did not stop at the signal, they came on time for flag hoisting. Is this Republic? A rushing biker hit a lady and said that he will ride however he wishes and that is his right. Is this Republic? Today's ceremony is just a formality. If we want to celebrate the Republic Day for real, then we have to understand our duties along with our rights, and we also have to follow them. And only then will the Republic Day be truly successful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
The speech of Gattu came to an end and the applause started raining. All the attendees stood up and started clapping because Gattu had explained to them the true meaning of the Republic.